Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see how you can deposit funds into your PrizePicks account. So if you're doing this from your bank account, so you can instantly do a bank transfer and deposit money into PrizePicks. So first of all, what we're going to do is you'll input a deposit amount, and from there, you'll click on instant bank transfer. It will take you to a new secure window. So you can do this on laptop, you can do this on your phone as well. I prefer you do it on phone. And this is basically the deposit setup. So when you're at the add funds option, these are all the options you have. You can add a credit or debit card. You can do an instant bank transfer. You can deposit through PayPal and you can deposit through Apple Pay as well. So basically, when you're on your add funds option on your PrizePicks app, you'll select which one you want. Let's say you're going for credit or debit card. This works generally the same for each. This is the place where you'll add your deposit amount after you press on the deposit you want. You can choose one of these options. You can add amount on your own as well. And from there, you will add your card details and you'll simply just press on deposit. After that, this is the screen that you'll see right in front of you. And after that, you'll just double click, you'll confirm. And after that, the money will successfully be deposited in your PrizePicks account. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.